welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maggie. Today we're going to be reviewing one of the colors from the CoverGirl Outlast Lipstain marker. They are kiss-proof, transfer-proof, lasts hours, doesn't feel heavy, buildable rich color, and a satin-stained finish. They have 14 different shades, and the shade I got was a Brazen Raisin, which is like a brown kind of mauve-y tone. This is my lips before, and I was a little scared at first. I was like, is this gonna be like really cool toned? But it's like the perfect dark mauve color with a hint of like some brown in it. I guess the name really does match it. Brazen Raisin, because it does look like a raisin. I overlined my top lip just a little to give it a little bit of a plumper look. I've been doing this a lot lately, and I've also been loving lip stains, especially like the marker ones. I have some from Rem Beauty, Wet n Wild, and now CoverGirl, and I would say it's probably this one, Wet n Wild, and then Rem Beauty. Rem Beauty's just like wears out really fast. It still works, but this is like the same component format and it doesn't wear out as fast as the Rem Beauty one does. Super easy and precise. I would say the Wet n Wild has a sharper tip, a little bit easier to make a smaller line, but I'm probably gonna wear this like just all over the lips. I am a notorious biter of my lips, so it's always gonna look a little quite patchy and dark on the center, which is fine. It's just anxiety. So that is it by itself. Obviously it is enhancing those patches where I chew my lips, but that's okay. I eventually do add a gloss to this because I was like, this is a little too dry for me and I need some hydration. It's pretty normal for any lip stain. They're gonna dry your lips out a little bit. This is very easy to go over again. It doesn't get weird or pilly or patchy when you go over it with the marker, because I wanted to go in and enhance those edges a little bit more, especially since I overlined my top lip. And you can't really tell that I overlined, which I think is nice. And I feel like the shape looks really cute on me. I was vibing with this lippy. There it is by itself. Very cute, very adorable. It was almost 3 o'clock, so here's a little look. Indoor lighting, outdoor lighting. Very cute. I went on a walk. It was quite cold, so that made my lips even drier. So I was like, it's time for a Glossy Balm from Rem Beauty. I took Cherry Cola because I felt like it was almost the exact same shade, and I was correct. This is a great lip combo. I was in love with this. I'm going to be wearing this lip combo a lot, I feel like, and I want to try it with all the other different Glossy Balms and see what it looks like. Now it's almost 4 and it's still holding on, looking good. That hydration really enhanced the lips in the most perfect way. I love the Glossy Balms. If you've never tried them, definitely give them a go. They not only smell decadent, but they leave your lips feeling nice and plush. I feel like this is the perfect everyday lippy color, a little deeper than normal, I guess, for most people, but I feel like this is a tone I tend to gravitate towards. Now it's almost 5 o'clock, still looking great. All I'd eaten at this point was a sandwich, an iced coffee, and lots of water. This was after we ate dinner. We made chicken and noodles, and then we went on another walk, because what do you do when you're both basically unemployed? You go on walks. And it looks super good. This is at 10 o'clock, still pretty intact, but I would probably apply the lip stain or the Glossy Balm if I was out and about. It doesn't look that bad. It obviously wore off on the edges. I was looking at the reviews, and it seems like a lot of reviews do not like this. They were like, it's so dry, it's awful, weird colors. Maybe it's because I wear liquid lips a lot. I'm used to my lips being just kind of dry, but I like that because I know it's not going to wear off. So do that with what you will. I quite enjoyed these. I wouldn't mind picking up another shade or two for the spring or summer, but I'm happy with this one right now. Hopefully this helped you out if you were looking at this lip stain. I will send you off with Felix Basking in Rainbow Sunshine. He is super baby. He's actually quite plump here. He's lost quite a bit of weight. He looks like a lean, clean hunting machine, except he's got no brain, so he can't. Have a good day or night wherever you are. Bye!